Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the Face ID unlocking test between the Poco F2 Pro versus the Realme X smartphone. The reason why I'm doing this video because both phones they do have the pop-up camera on the top, as you can clearly see here, and the Realme X I'm using for more than 1 year continuously this device, and Poco F2 Pro I think close to 2 months of using this mobile phone. So in this video, I'll be just comparing the Face ID unlocking and what are the features they do have side by side. After updating to the MIUI 12, is there any improvement? Even after the latest update in the Realme UI, is there any improvement in the Realme X? So let's get started with this kind of test. So first, let me try to show you the speed test between the Face ID unlocking of comparing both phones side by side. So first thing is that still there is no option of unlocking the device using Face ID when you press the power button in the Poco F2 Pro. So whereas in the Realme X, you can easily unlock using the Face ID just by pressing the power button, as you can see right now. So let me try to demonstrate to you. So you can see here friends, so just by pressing the power button you can easily unlock the face ID. But whereas in the Poco F2 Pro, now the screen is locked. If you press the power button, it doesn't unlock. You need to every time swipe upwards to unlock using the Face ID. So these are biggest irritating thing for me. I don't like at all. I'm not sure why they did not include this kind of feature in the Redmi K20 Pro, which is released last year, and even after that Poco F2 Pro doesn't have any of those kind of option. Even after so many updates, this is the most irritating thing for me, and which I like most in the Realme X device. So I never used the fingerprint scanner. I never did try to use also fingerprint scanner because the Face ID unlocking is so fast that even I refuse to use the fingerprint scanner in the Realme X smartphone. So this is the main reason why I choose the Realme X every time now and then. So now let me start comparing side by side in terms of the Face ID unlocking. So just for the speed test comparison, opening and closing, I'm trying to keep the screen turned on in the Poco F2 Pro. So now let me try to swipe and press the power button at the same time. As you can see here, the Realme X is slightly faster than the Poco F2 Pro. So this Poco F2 Pro is a high-end mobile phone, friends. You need to remember that. And Realme X is a mid-range segment mobile phone. So this from the last year and this from the this year 2020. So we will be expecting a very fast improvement opening and closing mechanism in terms of the pop-up camera, but that's not the case, I think so. So let me try it again right now. As you can see here friends, so let me try to do it again. So you can see the Realme X is slightly faster than before. So now let me try to unlock when the both phones screens are off. So let's see which phone will be first. As you can see here, so by the time I press the power button and swipe the screen upside, the Realme X already opened. The another problem is that when you press the power button, it takes some time to turn on the screen. So right now you can see here. So let me try to press the power button now. As you can see, there is a delay in terms of turning on the screen as well. So that small delay sometimes makes the Face ID unlocking slightly slower in the Poco F2 Pro. So overall, in terms of the speed test, I mainly like the Realme X speed test Face ID unlocking even after a long time using this mobile phone. So there is no problem at all in terms of the pop-up camera in this mobile phone. This is another good thing. So initially I was really worried about the pop-up camera durability for the long time, but trust me friends, I can say definitely I have used the Face ID unlocking more than 20 times a day in the Realme X smartphone. I think for the past 1 year I've been using close to, maybe not every day, maybe 2 or 3 days a week, like that I'm trying to use this mobile phone just after coming to home. So during that time I'll definitely prefer to unlock the device using only the Face ID unlocking. So this is a quick comparison between both of the smartphones, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description for more playlist on other smartphones. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.